Canada's $72 million crypto tax crackdown targets 2,500 Dapper Labs users, but no charges yet. Canada. Crypto tax. NFT. The CRA's 35-person crypto audit team has reviewed 230-plus files, finding 40% of crypto users may be non-compliant or at high risk of failing to report taxes. Yet no criminal charges have been filed. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has also written, Canada's $72 million crypto tax crackdown targets 2,500 Dapper Labs users, but no charges yet. Indiana bill would mandate Bitcoin in pensions and shield self-custody rights. Poland stalls MiCA-Style crypto rules as lawmakers fail to override presidential veto. Exposed. Ramarxyz sniped 70% of $WT presale with 1,000 plus wallets. Then demanded refund. ZachXBT British hacker linked to $243 million Genesis theft likely nabbed in Dubai. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Canada's tax authority has widened its crypto enforcement net, targeting 2,500 users of Vancouver-based NFT firm Dapper Labs in a probe tied to an estimated $72 million Canadian dollars, $54 million, in suspected unpaid taxes. The probe sits within a larger Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, campaign that has already generated more than 100 million Canadian dollars in recovered taxes through crypto audits over the past 3 years, according to a report by the Canadian press. Yet despite the growing sums involved, authorities confirm that no criminal charges have been laid in any crypto tax case since 2020, showing the gap between civil enforcement and criminal prosecution in Canada's digital asset sector. CRA secures rare, unnamed persons order in Dapper Labs tax probe. The report stated that the CRA sought and received approval in September to compel Dapper Labs to disclose information tied to thousands of users under what is known as an unnamed persons requirement. The legal tool allows tax authorities to obtain records on an identifiable group of taxpayers without accusing the company itself of wrongdoing. Dapper, which operates one of the most prominent non-fungible token platforms and runs its own blockchain and digital wallets, did not oppose the application. The report shows the CRA initially sought information on roughly 18,000 Dapper users, but following negotiations, the scope was narrowed to 2,500 accounts. It marks only the second time Canadian courts have granted such an order against a domestic crypto firm, the first being issued against Coinsquare in 2020. In an affidavit supporting the application, CRA project lead Predrag Mizrak said crypto markets are deeply embedded in the underground economy and present significant non-compliance risks. Internal agency figures show that about 15% of Canadian crypto users fail to file taxes on time or at all, while 30% of those who do file are classified as high risk for non-compliance. The agency estimates that up to 40% of taxpayers using crypto platforms fall into non-filing or high-risk categories. The CRA currently employs 35 dedicated cryptoasset auditors working across more than 230 files. Since 2020, 5 criminal investigations involving digital assets have been launched, with 4 still ongoing as of March. The agency says the cases are complex and often hinge on cross-border evidence and cooperation, contributing to long timelines and the absence of charges to date. Canada prepares new crypto reporting rules as federal crackdown widens. The crackdown on Dapper users comes as Canada tightens its wider crypto oversight. Under long-standing CRA policy, cryptocurrencies are treated as commodities rather than currencies. Casual investors generally face capital gains tax, with only 50% of profits taxable at marginal rates, while frequent traders, miners, and crypto businesses are taxed on full business income. Most crypto transactions, including sales, swaps, and crypto-based purchases, are treated as taxable dispositions under existing rules. New reporting rules are also on the way as Canada is preparing to implement the OECD-backed crypto asset reporting framework starting in 2026. The framework will require exchanges, brokers, and crypto ATM operators to report transaction data and customer information directly to the CRA. The 2024 federal budget set aside more than $50 million Canadian over 5 years to support that effort. At the same time, Ottawa plans to establish a national financial crimes agency by 2026 to focus on sophisticated money laundering and online financial fraud. Finance officials describe it as the country's first unit focused exclusively on sophisticated financial crime. Beyond taxes, enforcement has intensified on the anti-money laundering front. FinTrack recently issued a record $19.6 million Canadian fine against KuCoin for failing to register and report large transactions. Meanwhile, another firm, Zeltox Enterprises, was hit with penalties totaling nearly $177 million Canadian. In September, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police shut down TradeOgre and seized more than $56 million Canadian in assets, marking Canada's first full crypto exchange takedown. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP buying spree starting. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pi coin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutions pile in as staking hits 3.1 M SOL. Could SOL overtake Bitcoin in 2026? 2 days ago, by Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BlackRock's Larry Fink says sovereign wealth funds are quietly buying Bitcoin. Will their bid push BTC past $100,000? 3 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Year-end $100,000 target alive. Here are the 3 drivers that matter. 2 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 2 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 6 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 3 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Ben Veto.